another Filecoin update, right? Looks like this market might be getting ready to make another move here. This is Filecoin on the daily, right? Holding steady. We're going to take a look here at the RSIs on this thing and see what possibly could be happening here very soon, okay? First off, let's take a look here. Here's the crypto bubbles for the day. And if you would, please hit the like and subscribe. In the description of the video, there's also, I also signed up for a company approached me about an affiliate for crypto clothing. They got some really cool stuff over there. Numerous different coins, t-shirts, hats, shorts, you name it, slip-on shoes, socks. They carry everything. Some really cool stuff. I ordered a hat and a t-shirt from them, and I'd appreciate it if you use the link in the video. They offer me 3%, so it isn't like I'm making a killing off it, but that's something to help the channel out. So if you want to go check it out, I'd appreciate it. Got some t-shirts like 20 bucks. You know, the stuff's not overpriced. They have hoodies. You got some really nice stuff over there. So, alright, let's move on with this. Alright, here's your bubbles for the day. Let's go over these charts and see what's going on here, okay? All this is going to tie in together, so I want to show you a couple things real first. First off, we have Bitcoin dominance. Alright, you can see that thing has been, it's coming down here and consolidating. Alright, let me see if my Heiken Ashi candles will show up a little bit better here. Yeah, there we go. Let's use them for now. Okay, they're a little bit brighter. But you can see this thing's been going sideways here at about 50% Bitcoin dominance. But let's look at the RSIs. Look at this. It's on the bottom. Okay, we're ready to make a run here on the daily, the 12-hour, on the floor. Okay, it's at the bottom, way at the bottom down here, way oversold. It's at a 24. Got the 8. The 8's coming up here. The 4 is coming down. All right, so you got your big ones, the 12, the daily, and I believe the weekly. The weekly's coming down. Okay, but it looks like Bitcoin dominance is due to make a run back up here and either get rejected up here at 51.4 and roll back over or bust through there. Okay, but we got that daily on the floor. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin here. This thing looks like it's ready to go. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple things here. Bitcoin is looking ready. Okay, it's been consolidating in this range, just going sideways in here. Okay, I had a trend line on this thing and ended up breaking through the trend line here, but it didn't break down. It came down and bounced off of 29.7. That's back up to 29.9, approaching that 30,000 again. We look at the RSIs on it. The daily is on the bottom. This is this ought to convince you here. The 12-hour on the floor. Okay. Now I can't judge time. This is the thing's going to move when it wants to move. Got the 8-hour on the floor. Okay. So you got the daily, the 12, the 8. Where's the 4? The 4's at the bottom. Alright, you got the weekly heading up. It's still bullish, a 77 and a 75. And you got the monthly still heading up. So you have all these things lining up for Bitcoin. Okay, now if we zoom out here on this weekly, let me show you something. Look at the big gap it has up to 36,000 bucks. Alright, if we flip 31,550 into support, alright, this could get really interesting really fast. Okay, right here, this thing fires up through that 31,550. I don't know if it'll go the whole way to 36 first, but any kind of retrace, we need to hold that now as support, that 31,550, okay, to get the higher prices. So that's what we're looking for at a Bitcoin right now. We need to flip that 31,550, and I believe we're coming into a retrace up at 48,000. We'll just have to play it as it comes, but I'd like to see some volume coming in here on the weekly. You see decreasing of volume. All right, on the daily, kind of a mixed bag here. Nothing major though as far as volume goes yet. Okay, this thing starts moving, and I'm sure we'll see a pop in that volume. But let's move on here to Filecoin. You see what chart I want here. I wanted that one. Okay. right here. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. Alright, you can see the pullback we did have. Alright, we pulled right back to that $4.28. $4.20. Okay, right around there. And we have bounced. Alright, it's held support here after that breakout. Now if we look at the RSIs, look at that. That daily is almost on the floor. The pullback wasn't a whole lot. In fact, it started down. Then it got a little bounce. Then it started back down again here. It's about reset. Alright, we have our 12-hour just about resets at a 0 and a 5. We got the 8-hour on the bottom, a 1 and a 3. And the 4-hour is on the bottom also. Okay, where's our weekly? Our weekly's heading up. And our monthly is heading up. It's bullish. Okay, so this thing is setting up for another push up here. Alright, I believe it's probably going to move when Bitcoin moves. Alright, and I'm going back to this. I believe this thing is doing a massive W. You can see, a W formation is bullish. Okay, you can see it here. Push up, push back down, or double bottom there, and a push back up here. Okay, then as long as it breaks this neckline right through here, that's where you're going to watch for. If it breaks that neckline, that's obviously very good news. But I totally believe this is doing a W formation, and this next move up could be a pretty decent one. Alright, if you go back through here, the last time this thing held that, let's go out in the daily. Last time it held where it's at now was when we had this run up here up to $9. Okay, you can see it held that area we're at right now. Then it got the next push up, went up to roughly $5.60 from there. All right, let's see if the RSI was at the bottom here. Made a push up to there. Actually, it went up there as the RSI was falling down on the daily. It got that push. And then the next big push from 480 up to 935 was when the RSI was reset here. So keep an eye on Filecoin. I believe we got a move coming up, guys. As soon as Bitcoin starts moving, this thing is going to take off. Thank you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon, guys. Have a great night.